I think all my life I've just heard कि okay आपसे तो कुछ भी नहीं होता, आपसे you're just like oh so weak, oh so thin. But I think I could finally gain confidence in my body. I could finally say कि yes I'm able to do this. Yes I've achieved so many things because of his guidance, and I owe a lot of it to him for the confidence that I've gained in my body, for being able to put myself out there, for being able to accept that yes my body could do all of this. It's just because he believed that I could do it, and hence I believed in my body's potential to achieve certain things, to reach at a certain level. When you've got the right mentor, I feel things just keep happening for you. And Bhanu, I feel I can say with all assurance, is the perfect mentor for you to teach you all these skills, because he breaks them down so beautifully that you don't feel overwhelmed, you don't feel like oh you're doing a lot, but at the end of it all you achieve the result so quickly, and you just left all amazed ki, oh how did this even happen. So I think that's the best part about it, that it does not feel like effort, it happens so naturally and organically. Also I was able to, like, I saw all of these people doing pull-ups so effortlessly, and just one day for the heck of it I tried it out. I'm like oh kar hi lenge ye to, it's so easy, but I just couldn't pull my body up. It seemed like ye to kabhi ho hi nahi payega. But just taking baby steps under his guidance, I used to keep telling him कि रहने दो, आज नहीं हो पाएगा ये तो, I don't think I should even try, because I don't think I'll be able to do it at all. But he used to keep pushing me like okay let's just take steps, like we'll reach there eventually. From day one where I was not able to pull my body up at all, to I think 4 months later I was able to do a good 3 to 4 pull-ups unassisted, which I think was a really big achievement. And I think I owe it all to Bhanu's guidance for how beautifully and how effortlessly he broke the exercise down for me, and he was there every step of the way to guide कि okay ये नहीं करना है, ये करना है, and to also tell you okay कि what am I doing wrong and what's the right way to do it. Because a lot of times it so happens that you know कि अच्छा ऐसे ऐसे करना है, but you also end up taking a lot of wrong steps along the way, which hamper your progress and derail the progress that you're making and achieving where you want to be. But knowing कि okay this is not what's to be done and this is what is supposed to be done is very important. And I think Bhanu knows it so well, and his grasp over all of these techniques, these little technical things that you need your body to understand is really good, that I was always left in amazement as to oh okay how easily I am able to do something that I couldn't even dream of doing a month back or 2 months back. I always dreamed of being able to hold handstand. I think that dream started way back in the pandemic when I just started looking at people's videos, okay, that how good they are, and I thought, oh, but that seems like a far-fetched dream for me. And that is something I'll never be able to achieve, like, because I've given it a lot of shots at home without any assistance, without any training. But under Bhanu's amazing guidance, I was able to hold a handstand in less than a month, from not being able to kick at all on day one to be able to reach the wall effortlessly in a month. Thank you so much for all the wonderful guidance through the past few months that I've been in. I think to achieve all of these things in such a short time, I'm so grateful that I got this opportunity to learn from you. Thank you.